This is on chapter 2, and this is activity 2-2, uh, transferring your data from your old computer to your new computer. Um, you can select which data that you want. You don't have to do it all, or you can do it all. You can use, they have a key now that you plug into your old computer and you plug it into your new one, and it will transfer all the data that you want. You can also put it on the thumb drive and do it that way and go into my computer, and you can see that if you wanted to, you could either put it on a DVD, or you could put it on a thumb drive and start the data transfer that way. You want to make sure that if when you start to transfer your data that you're in the right user. So if you don't, maybe there's stuff that you don't want the others to have, so you want to put it in yours. Um, you can also map a network drive if you want to help something along. Um, this is a control panel, of course. Uh, Transferring data, I've already, of course, done that on my computer, so I don't know really what else to do on this. But you can um, you can also perform advanced customization. When you select the advanced customization, you can identify specific folders within program files that you want to transfer. You can also customize the specific folders that are transferred within each user profile. And it's easy to transfer from one to the other. Transfer user settings and files. There's a detailed steps for transferring user settings and files varies depending on the method that you select. When transferring settings and files on the external hard drive or a network folder, perform you can perform the following steps. You can enter an encryption password if it's desired. You want to specify the location of the MIG file that contains the data being transferred, match other user accounts with the new user accounts, and then you can begin the transfer. Also down here, you can go to your start menu, and then you want to point to all programs, and you want to go and find your accessories file, which is right here, and click on that. And then you want to click on System Tools, which is right here. And then you're going to want to click Windows Easy Transfer, which is right here. Um, the Welcome to Easy Windows Transfer comes up. It says to click Next, click External Hard Disk or US Flash Drive, uh, and then click that this is my old computer. So you can just go next. You can transfer it with the Easy Cable, which is the one I was talking about. You can just plug this into your old computer and plug another one into your new one, and you can transfer everything that way. You can also do it from an external hard drive, or you can do it from a thumb drive. And then you want to do which computer are you using now? Well, you'd want to select this is my old computer because you want to transfer the data to it. You can also transfer all your saved passwords or anything from your local C drive on your old computer to your new one. You can, of course, personalize and do your background. The, um, Also on the Windows accessories, when you go to all programs and you go down to accessories, this is a good place to go to your PC tools. It has a lot of things in there. You can, of course, go to your control panel. You can do a disk cleanup, which will get rid of all the cookies and all the stuff that you don't need. It allows you to check which ones that you want to do. I'll go ahead and run this, and you can see that it's calculating how much space you'll be able to free up on the OS. And it could take several minutes for this, but being mine's a new computer, it shouldn't take that long, and it didn't. You can see up here that you can click what you want. Downloaded program files, I usually would not do that. Temporary internet files, I would put a check mark by that to get rid of it. Offline web pages, that's up to you. Game statistics files, again, that's up to you. I always have it clean out the recycle bin. Set up log files and temporary files. I do the temporary files. Um, Thumbnails. You can do the archived error reporting, which I don't do that. Now you can either come down here and you can view the files that you're going to do, or you can clean up system files. And either way, all you have to do is just say OK, and it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? You will not be able to get them back. Most of the stuff in here is cookies and stuff that you just don't need. You just need to make sure that you mark what you want and what you don't want. And it will just clean up your file, and that's the end of that. So if you go back to all programs again and go to accessories, and again go to system tools, you can also go to disk defragment right here, um, private character editor, resource monitor. You can get system information about your computer. Uh, you can see that my computer has Windows 7 Premium. It has versions, what service pack I have, the manufacturer, the name of the PC, model type, the processor. It has all the information that you might need on your computer. So that is the end of that presentation for Chapter 2. It was on transferring files and also the accessories program, the system tools.